Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair this morning using the Paul Mitchell, the color, and it's in the shade 1A Blue Black. And I ordered this off eBay. I got to a point where I've used every single drugstore hair color in blue black and every Sally's blue black hair color. And I just started searching eBay for just hair color, and I just started buying stuff that like I've never actually used before, and I was just like, hey, okay, I never used it, let's give it a try. So yeah, that's what I did. So I bought this a while ago, and that's when my hair was a lot shorter, and I was only able to use like one tube of hair color, and I bought a second one and I didn't even need it. Like, this is a 3-ounce tube of hair color, and this did my whole entire head. And my hair has gotten a lot longer since I bought this. And I didn't even need the second tube that I just bought. But it'll be good for like when I need to color my hair again. And if this works, I like, with gray coverage wise, I know it works. I just did it. If my grays stay covered for a decent amount of time, I will return back to this hair color. And I have one on hand, so if I'm gonna rush, I can always just reach for this. So anyways, I don't really have anything bad to say about this. It was super gentle. I did think that it was gonna irritate my scalp, and that's because like the back of my head started itching, and I was like, oh no. But then it like dissipated, and I didn't have any issues after that. So I was just like, oh, okay, whatever, that's great. So gentle. The only downfall is it does stain. I got some on my face here, and I tried covering it up with makeup, and it won't budge. It did come off my arms, except that spot. It did come off pretty well, and I didn't have any issues with cleanup. It does stain like everything, but a little bit of scrub and bubbles definitely helped clean it up, and it got it all gone. It does have a weird smell. I cannot place my finger on the scent because it's weird. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. It is strong, but not strong enough where you need ventilation. It's got like a weird, like, florally fresh scent and chemicals mixed together. Like, I don't know how to pinpoint the scent at all, because it just seems like it's like a mixture of like all this stuff, and it's not super pleasant, but it's also not super like gross. Like, it doesn't smell gross, it just doesn't smell wonderful, if that makes sense at all. Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna confuse the hell out of you if I keep like telling you what I think it smells like. But you don't really need any ventilation. Did I mention I ordered this on eBay? Yeah, I ordered this on eBay. Not sure if I said that. There was something else I was gonna say. I'm not 100% sure about the gray coverage. So it has covered all my whites really well. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Even my one stubborn hair is covered. So we'll see how it works with how well it stays, I should say. We'll see how well it stays in my hair after a couple washes with all my whites, and see about the gray coverage. Because like I said, I don't know anything about this hair color. I just went on eBay. and started searching for blue black hair dyes that I've never tried before, and just started buying them. So yeah, I really don't have anything bad to say. My hair feels really good. I felt like it looked a little dull, if that makes sense. Like, I felt like the shine was not there. When I was blow drying my hair in the mirror, it just looked like a flat black. But in the sun here, it looks pretty shiny. Ooh, I see some of that blue. I look like I have crimped hair. Because that's from my blinds. But I definitely see some of the blue. I just felt like with being in my vanity light, it just looked flat. Like, it looked like a matte black, if that makes sense. Like, I was like, where did all my shine go? But I kind of feel like I can see it. Let's see if I can. Ooh, do you see that blue? Okay. I like. Ooh. Look at that blue. Do you see that? That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. That is what I like to see in the sun. Especially in the natural lighting. Oh my God. This is such a beautiful color. Wow. I was not expecting that at all. I was like all worried that it was going to be like this flat black, and I didn't see any pops of blue at all. And now I come into the natural light and it's popping. My blue is popping. That is awesome. Like, look at that. It does look really shiny in this natural light. I was just kind of worried that it was going to be like this ugly, flat black color. And I'm all about a good matte black. But with hair, I kind of feel like you don't really want that. You want your hair to be nice and shiny and glossy. And, sorry, I'm just going to keep moving around to find... Do you see like that blue halo right there? Look at that. Goodness. That looks so beautiful. I'm just trying to play with angles to see what it looks like. But this blue, I did not know it was so beautiful. I'm impressed. Okay. With the color, I was definitely thinking that it was not going to be as beautiful as it is right now. Like, oh my God. My hair feels amazing though. It feels really soft and really good. And I felt like my hair felt dull for a little while, but it feels so good. I can't stop touching it. But the color is so pretty. Okay, I gotta stop rambling on. I have no bad blood for this hair color. I don't even know where the box is. So this one, in my books, is a good keeper. Like, it has everything that I was looking for. Like, this blue surprised me. At first I thought, like, oh, it's just gonna be like this really dull color. And now I see it and I'm just like shocked. It shook me to the core when I saw that blue. I am impressed. I think I found another new favorite. I have gone back to the Clairol Color Strong, that blue black. That is so beautiful. I've had so many compliments, especially when my hair hit the sun or the sun hit me. I don't know, whatever. And they were like, you have this beautiful blue halo around you and it looks so gorgeous. And I was just like, I would love to see that myself. But like I was not home or in front of a mirror and couldn't actually see it myself. But I got so many compliments on it, and that is one of my new favorite go-to drugstore hair colors. So I think I may be finding this guy as a new favorite as well. But we will see. It has to pass the gray coverage test, and it also has to pass the test of it washing out. It's got to last long in order for me to absolutely say this is my absolute new favorite. It could be pretty beautiful and have all the qualities I like from the first day, but only time will tell when I actually wash it and see if my grays are popping out or if the color just washes out right away. So we will see, and I will let you guys know on my Instagram page. It's Nina_Gilhousen, and that's where I tell you all the good, the bad, the ugly. Like, I don't sugarcoat anything, and you should know that by now. So I give you all the deets on this color for the wear and tear, and everyday things. So keep a lookout in a couple weeks for a review on this color, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.